gotta be.
Oh, there is one of them. Wait, what is this? Huh. I think it's probably some of the molding.
Oh.
It's broken loose.
Oh, okay.
This little spot that, you know, because it's on the inside, doesn't get like...
Oh, okay.
Hi, I'm Steph.
I'm Stephanie.
And we are here at Lake Talquin at Williams Landing. And this is one of the 25 free boat landings here in Leon County. And we're just excited to kind of check out the lake today. Have you done Lake Talquin?
No, I have not done Lake Talquin.
Awesome. So this will be both of our first times doing this lake. So come join us. So we're actually going to get off right here. This is the other side of the lake that we think is the national forest, and there's a campsite over here, so we're gonna go explore it to see if that's something we want to do at some point. So this is the dock we saw in our last trip. So I'll put that clip right here where we saw it from the water. So this is pretty exciting. So this is exactly where we were last time when we did co-landing.
This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh.
And if you're wondering if you saw my Or You Hole video, I'm going to show you here that there is water in this channel yet again. So, gotta go back and try to fill that hole. So this is another area. This is, we think this is Fort Braden, which is like a hiking trail area, and there's some campsites over here. So we're looking to see if this is an area where we could actually get off.
This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
This seems like a cool campsite.
This would be a good campsite.
This would be a really good campsite. I think you pretty much want to be in a hammock here because this feels like Gator Central.
I think we should camp here next.
Good, we're flexible. Oh, I'm
So,
Gator. No, just kidding.
maybe.
Maybe, probably here in Florida. Okay, so by the way, literally I was joking, but no, there is a gator exactly where I said, look, there's a gator, and it probably was there when I said that.
Just keep a smile, hold your head up high. I promise it works every time. 'Cause we struck gold in the shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. This is the good life. Oh, oh, oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life.
So Lake Talquin is in Leon County. It's really close to, it's about half an hour from where I live. How far was it from where you live? It was just under an hour from where Stephanie lives in Georgia. And it's a huge lake, so there's a ton of landings here that we'll be doing in the future. I had a friend in high school that had a lake house out here, so I've been out here before on a jet ski. But it's really cool to do this on a kayak, and I can't wait to try all of the different landing opportunities because there's so much to see on this lake. All right, so we just finished kayaking at Williams Landing, which is on Lake Talquin, and we saw 4 gators. And what'd you think?
That was pretty cool. This is also a very neat landing. It's the same body of water that we did last time, so also really neat, but we just explored more of it.
Yeah, and there's a campground here, so we're gonna explore that. And there was a campground at the other one, so much to explore. We're learning so much about this area. I've lived here all my life, so I have no excuse for not knowing this, but I'm learning it now.
Better late than never.
Exactly. All right, thanks for joining us and have a great day.